Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of us dream about, passive income. I'm here to share with you some incredible ideas on how you can make money while you sleep. So grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. Imagine you're lounging on a tropical beach, hearing the waves crashing and feeling the cool breeze. Now imagine earning money while enjoying that blissful moment. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with passive income, this dream could become a reality. Passive income refers to earning money with minimal effort and time investment. It's like creating your own money-making machines that work tirelessly, even when you're not actively working. So, let's explore some incredible ideas that can help you unlock the potential of passive income. First on our list is rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting it out can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Whether it's an apartment, a vacation home, or even a single room, you can earn consistent cash flow each month. So if you're willing to put in the work up front, rental properties can be a game changer. Next up is the world of e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting an e-commerce business has become more accessible than ever. You can create your own online store, sell products, and earn money while you sleep. The key here is to find a niche, source products, and set up a robust marketing strategy to drive sales. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a published author? Well, self-publishing is an amazing way to turn that dream into a passive income stream. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can write and publish your own ebook. Once published, your book can continue generating income for years to come. Let's talk money-making from stocks. Dividend investing is a strategy where you invest in stable, dividend-paying stocks. By purchasing shares of companies that regularly distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, you can enjoy a consistent stream of passive income. Now remember, thorough research and diversification are key to success in the stock market. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services through unique referral links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a trusted recommender and getting paid for it. So whether it's through a blog, social media, or YouTube, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture. And there you have it. 5 incredible passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. Remember, passive income is not an overnight success story. It requires dedication, research, and the ability to adapt. But with perseverance, the rewards can be truly life-changing. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching. And until next time, dream big and keep chasing those money-making dreams.